Hello fishing friends, this is Matthew with Out Fishing 13. I'm back here at the Provo River to do a little bit of fly and bubble fishing. I actually already caught one, but I didn't get it filmed. And so I'm going to head back over to this little spot. The sun's about ready to set below the horizon, so I only have maybe 20 minutes of light. So let's get to it. The fish are biting. I already caught a nice little about 8-inch brown trout. Let's go see if we can find a bigger one. All right, let's go. So as we're walking over there, let me show you what I'm using. It's kind of gotten beat up a little bit, but it's just a little fuzzy brown fly with a red tail. That's what I'm using. So let's come down here and catch another fish. Oh, today I have a polarized lens, so hopefully we can see in the water a little bit better with the camera as I'm fighting these fish. And if you want to know what I'm using, I'll put it in the description below, and you can find it on Amazon. I'm also using my Omega Pro 3. It's a ZO2, it's the micro, and I love this reel. I just got it recently. It casts very smooth, and I'm just using the stock line on it, which is, I think it's Cajun 6-pound test. But I'm just doing a slow retrieval, and it seems like as I go across the middle of the river, that's where the fish are biting. So I've been exploring the Provo River, trying to find other places like this. So far, I've only found a couple. There's one here, and then there's one upstream in the mouth of the canyon. I just had a little hit. That was close. Oh, dang. That was close. Oh, did you see that? Oh, I'm gonna have to get over there again. See if I can get that one. It'll bite again. Came right out of the water. That was exciting. Okay, I gotta get right over there, underneath those trees right over there. So here we go. That was a nice fish too. That one was 12-14 inches long. There we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna let that drift straight down. Come away, duck. No fish. Come on, fishy, fishy. Okay, here we go. No fish. Let's keep trying. Oh, there's a fish that just rose right there. Let's see if we can get it to take something. Oh, there's one. There's one. He's still on too. Let's get him in here. Ooh. He jumped way out of the water. Alright, there he is. Ooh, that one, I think I'll bring that one home with me. That'd make a nice dinner. Well, there he is, folks. Beautiful little brown. About 10 inches long. And it rose right up for that fly. And I need to go get my fish creel. I'll be right back. Anyways, there's a pretty little brown trout, 10 inches long. Absolutely beautiful. That was a nice little brown. Pan size. All these friendly ducks around here. I can feel his feet hit my line. Okay, I got a new fly tied on. Let's try a few more casts. It's getting pretty dark and I don't know what my visibility on the camera is going to be like. But my leader is getting shorter and shorter. I need to put a new leader on. Let's give it a shot. Oh, I scared that duck. Did you see that? That duck jumped 6 feet in the air like a helicopter. Okay, well that was super fun. I'm gonna call it a night. The sun has gone down. There's a beautiful sunset out there. Anyways, I caught 2 fish today. One I got on video. But if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the like button. That'll help me out a bunch. Thanks, and we'll go out fishing again. Bye.